Today I have little time, only half an hour, and I decided to check if I could find a good entrance during this time without rushing or imagining anything else. I will show you the whole process from quick adjustment of the graph to decision making, and this video is about the fact that trading does not always require a whole day behind the screen. So if you're wondering how to work effectively in short sessions, stay tuned. Before starting work, it's important to properly configure your account and turn on the indicators. So let's do this. In this strategy, I use a type of candle chart. Time frame will be 30 seconds. This bundle will help you find situations quickly. And now let's go to the indicator section and select sharp trend cycle. And let's adjust the settings of the indicator. Fast length will be 6, slow length 34, cycle length 8, MACD length will be 4, PF length will be 1. These settings make the indicator more sensitive to market changes. In fast strategies, this is very important. In the star settings, the color of the main line will remain blue and increase the thickness. Level 75 will be green and also increase the thickness. And level 25 will make it red and increase the thickness as well. And now I will start working and show you in detail how to work with this strategy. I think you will like it and that you will use this strategy really often. Do you want to know how experienced traders understand the market from within? I post such reviews on my Telegram every day. All you have to do is to follow the link in the description, join the channel and send me a personal message, and I will help you understand and advise you on how to start studying materials. Found the first suitable situation, so let's break it down and open a trade. Trading time will be 2 minutes and I'll start with $150. I think the price will go up, so I press the green button to open a trade. And now let's analyze it in more detail. Look, it was a downward trend at the market for a long time. The price reached its minimum and now the price started to rise and green candles appeared. When working with the indicator, I need two levels, 75 and 25. Now the price starts to rise and the indicator line crosses level 75 and builds above it. And this is the main trigger in this strategy. Crossing the line of the indicator level 75 means the beginning of a rising trade. So the price will keep on increasing and I have an opportunity to make profit. This strategy works both on the uptrend and on the downward trend. There are no limits for this. A bit later, I will tell you about the basic rules of working with this strategy. They will help you to open trades in safe situations. And the price rose and now my capital increased to $958. Trade is profitable, guys. Don't waste the time, keep working. Having spent a little time on search, I'm ready to open another trade. I will leave the amount unchanged and my forecast the price will increase, so open a trade. And let's repeat everything again. The price increase began and some green candles have already closed. The sharp trend cycle indicator line began to rise and cross level 75 from the bottom up, which means that an upward trend has begun eventually. The situation has formed. When working with the strategy, it's really important that the indicator line crosses one of the levels. At the beginning of a downward trend, the indicator line must cross level 25 from top to bottom, and at the rising trend, level 75 from bottom to top. Any currency pair will work in here as long as the basic conditions are met. And it doesn't really matter how many green or red candles will be closed when the trend changes. Only the signal from the indicator is important. The strategy is great even for a beginner trader, guys. The indicator is extremely clear and does not require complex market analysis. Situations for work occur quite often as well. It is only important to see them in time. So for now, let's see how the price chart will move. The price continued to rise and I made my profit again. So my capital is $1,096 already. But we keep on working because there are a couple of more trades ahead. The amount of the trade will be $150 again, so let's open a trade to reduce the price. I see that the rising trend has ended, the price has started to fall and one red candle has already closed on the chart. The second has almost formed. The indicator line has already crossed level 25 from top to bottom, which means the beginning of a downward trend. I think with this situation I can't increase the capital. For now, I'll give you a piece of advice. Never hurry to open trades, really. If you see that the situation is almost formed, just wait. It will also not be a mistake to check the previous signals from the indicator, guys. Perhaps they were false and could bring losses. And in this case, it is better not to take such a currency pair to work. It may still be unstable. A lot depends on the choice of the currency pair as well. If you see that the price very often changes its direction, then do not take such pairs to work. With them, of course, it is possible to get profit, but then you will have to change all the settings of the indicator. And there is very little time left before the trade closes, so let's look at the price chart. At the very last moment, the price continued to fall and I made my profit. So now I have $1,234 in my account. I'm going to find another situation and open the last trade. I have no doubt that I made the right prediction and opened a price reduction trade. I think this downward trend will be strong and I can make profit eventually. I really also think that this video will be useful to you. I try to tell you everything in detail about this strategy. For now, let's see the situation through to the end. And yes, friends, 4 consecutive profitable trades, and they increased my capital to $1,372. Today I showed again how a systematic approach helps to earn. No guesswork, no impulsive decisions, only calm and confident work, friends. If you want the same results, stop looking for a miracle method. You already have a working strategy. All you need is a little practice and attention to the details. Watch the video again, break down each action and try to apply it in your trade. Only then you will start feeling confident. So write in the comments if you succeeded and what results you got.